The Chicken That Stole My Sandwich, Part 1. Good morning, everyone. Today's story becomes completely ridiculous. Trust me, you love this chicken. Maybe, maybe not. My name is Ben. I love sandwiches. Really love sandwiches. Every lunchtime feels magical, especially with bacon. Extra cheese, too. My stomach always celebrates. One sunny morning arrived. Birds sang happily. The weather felt perfect. Everything looked peaceful. Too peaceful. I packed my lunch. Fresh bread waited. Crispy bacon smiled. Tomatoes looked juicy. Lettuce smelled fresh. Cheese looked wonderful. I added mayonnaise. Perfect. Mum smiled proudly. Enjoy your lunch. I definitely will. I hugged my sandwich. Just kidding. School felt exciting. Math finished quickly. Science became interesting. Even homework seemed friendly. Something felt suspicious. I ignored everything. Finally, lunchtime arrived. Everyone cheered loudly. My stomach clapped. Well, almost. I found a bench. The park looked peaceful. Flowers danced gently. Butterflies floated everywhere. Children laughed happily. Dogs chased balls. Everything felt normal. I opened my lunchbox. Angels almost sang. My sandwich looked glorious. Golden bread sparkled. Cheese melted perfectly. Bacon smelled amazing. I smiled proudly. This looks incredible. Suddenly, cluck, cluck, cluck. I looked around. Nobody noticed. Strange. Another loud cluck. Closer now. Much closer. I blinked twice. Still nothing. Maybe imagination? Maybe hunger? Then a chicken appeared. Not ordinary. Very confident. Very fluffy. Very suspicious. The chicken wore sunglasses. Yes, tiny sunglasses. I stared silently. The chicken stared back. Neither moved. The wind stopped. Almost. The chicken tilted its head very slowly, very dramatically. Then it winked. I nearly screamed. Ah! Nice chicken, I whispered. The chicken clucked proudly. Almost proudly. Maybe proudly. Who knows? I reached carefully. Only one finger. Very slowly. The chicken stepped backward. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Smart chicken. No problem, I said. I'll eat first. Big mistake. Huge mistake. Terrible mistake. I grabbed my sandwich, both hands, ready, excited, hungry, very hungry. Suddenly, whoosh! A feathery blur. The sandwich disappeared. My hands stayed empty. My mouth stayed open. My brain stopped working. Completely stopped. What happened? I blinked again. Still nothing. Then, plop, plop. Plot! I turned around. The chicken sprinted away. Sandwich inside beak, tiny sunglasses shining, its little legs blurred. It looked unstoppable. Hey, that's mine! The chicken ignored me, obviously. Very rude bird. I started running, fast, very fast. Actually, not fast enough. The chicken looked athletic, too athletic. Children pointed everywhere. Run! Catch it! Faster! Someone applauded. Why? Nobody knew. An old man laughed. Fast chicken, slow human. Everybody giggled. Even the pigeons seemed amused. Probably. The chicken crossed flowers, jumped bushes, dodged bicycles, skipped puddles, never dropped my sandwich. Professional thief. Come back. I forgive you. Just return lunch. The chicken clucked loudly. That sounded like laughter. Very mean laughter. A squirrel watched quietly. Even the squirrel looked shocked. A cat blinked slowly. The cat refused helping. Typical cat. My stomach growled very loudly. The chicken heard everything. It looked backward. Then it smirked. Yes, a chicken smirked. It raised one wing, like waving goodbye, then accelerated. Impossible. How could chickens sprint? Nobody explained. I chased harder. Sweat covered everything. Breathing sounded terrible. Please, stop running. The chicken disappeared behind giant bushes. I stopped suddenly. Silence returned. Only birds chirped. My sandwich vanished. I sighed deeply. The mystery began. Where did it go? Who trained it? Why my sandwich? Then one tiny feather floated right before me. I picked it up. Something felt strange, very strange. The feather smelled like mayonnaise. To be continued.